Hey guys, good morning. So welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a wash day. I know this video is not that bright, but I'm in my kitchen, so that's where I wash my hair. So I'm going to wash and color my hair. So the first thing I'm going to do here with my hair, I just wake up, so if you see me look like this, don't worry. I'm going to use the shampoo in the natural protein, pure natural coconut restore moisturizing replacement shampoo. So I'm going to use this in my hair, and I'm already wet my hair, so I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna soak my hair up so you can see what I do when I'm doing a wash. Sometimes I will wash and just treat and that's it, but today I'm gonna color. So I'm using the shampoo because you have to wash your hair first before you put the color in it. So that's what I'm doing. And because of the color, I have to wash my hair in my kitchen sink because I don't want it to mess up my bathroom, because this color is very rich and vibrant. So this is what I'm doing here. And I color my hair like every 3 to 4 weeks because I'm getting gray and I don't like grays in my hair. So this is what I'm doing here. And forgive my nails, they're really bad. They need to be done, which is like $45 to fill them, because I wear Sherlock on my nails, and Sherlock here is very expensive, so my nails need to be done, but it's okay. So I'm going to wash out the shampoo out of my hair. I'm turning on the pipe here. So this is how the shampoo sud in my hair, and it sud really good. It feels really moisturizing and so nice in my hair. So guys, I just finished wash the shampoo out of my hair, and now I'm gonna use the 4X More Shine Cream of Nature hair color in my hair, and Exotic Shine color with argan oil and Moroccan oil, fade resistant and formula rich vibrant color tone. Double conditioner treatment, infusion and argan oil. So this is the color I'm using in my hair now. So I have to put on a gloves, and I'm going to show you what come into this hair color. So first here you get a Creme of Nature argan oil. So this is it, and also you get Creme of Nature cream gel and color. So this is it, and you also get this one here, which is the Cream of Color activator. So this is it, and you also get this little bottle of oil in it. So I'm gonna put away the oil. I'm gonna open this container here, and this is the amount that come into it right here. You can see. So now I'm gonna go into the color, and the color is like this. I'm gonna use a knife to bore a hole here, and then I'm gonna squeeze the color into this bottle here. and this doesn't really mess up my hair. My hair don't really fall out with this. This is really a great product for my hair. So I'm squeezing out the product into the color, into the activator here. Take a while to squeeze out everything out of it. You can do this at home for yourself if you don't want to go to the hairdresser to do it. So now you can see everything in here, so I'm just gonna shake it so you guys can see the color of it. Here. And I'm doing this in my kitchen. It's a little bit dark in my house right now, so you can see the color is changing. Yeah. Yep, so the color change, you can see how it is. So now I'm gonna put it in my hair. Okay guys, so this is the color in my hair. So I'm gonna put the plastic on, and I'm gonna keep it for usually half an hour, but then I may keep it a little longer
Just use my
than half an hour and keep it maybe for 45 minutes. So I'm putting on this plastic over my head, and then I'm gonna put this over it also to get it to stay. Here it said 100% gray coverage, permanent hair color, one application, exotic shine color. So I will show you the final of my hair, how my hair look, and from there you can decide for yourself. So okay guys, so I finished wash my hair out, so you can see the color. What I always do, like in 2 weeks, I will put this rinse in my hair to cooperate with the color. And the rinse that I always use is Adore. So 2 weeks from now, I'll put the rinse in to get a more vibrant color. So now I'm gonna use this oil here, and I have to put on my glasses because without my glasses I cannot see. And it's the Cream of Nature Argan Treatment. So I always put this in my hair and then put some moisturizer in my hair to seal my hair. So this is the oil here. I'm just gonna put a little amount, not gonna use the whole of it, in my hair, and I'm using it with the gloves, and it give my hair this silky soft shine. So this is how my hair feels, so silky and so soft. So now I'm gonna use the Nature Protein Pure Mineral Coconut Oil Curling Control Leave-In Conditioner, and this have protein in it, so this is it. So I use the shampoo. Now I'm going to use the conditioner, leave-in conditioner. You can see how it is here, and it's very silky. Oh my god, it make my hair feel so silky and so soft and nice. So I'm gonna put some more, and to make sure it lock in with the oil. I'm gonna try to comb my hair. Usually I use a picker, but I don't have a picker where I am right now, so this is like, and as you can see, there's not much coming out of my hair. There's really nothing much coming out there. So that's my wash day Monday. Sometimes I do wash on a Saturday.